Hey, welcome to the Duel. Keeping your audience engaged with professional newsletters usually takes hours. Layout design, copywriting, format and tweaks, the lot. With Vengage's AI newsletter generator, you can turn a simple text prompt into a beautifully structured, well-aligned email newsletter in just minutes. It gives tech teams and marketers the creative confidence they need to roll out polished content effortlessly, even if they haven't got any prior design experience. Let's see how it works. Hello everyone. So you're trying to get your head around this new AI tool and you just don't know where to start. You want to keep your audience engaged, but you're not sure how to put together that newsletter. You don't know how to generate it, and you just need to whip up something professional that people will actually like. Maybe you want to impress the CEO, the stakeholders, or whoever it might be. Here we can see Vengage right in front of us, and we can put together a professional newsletter. As we can see, all the info's here with the AI designer. So we can just go ahead and get started here. I'm going to create a message as the CEO. Now, to do this, I want to look professional. I don't want to be the CEO of a company and then say, hey, here's my thrown together newsletter. No one's going to take that seriously. So here, I'm going to put in my topics. I'm going to put everything in. Then we can see how this looks in the AI designer. So now we can see how this looks. Widgets are right here. You can see this on the right-hand side. Everything looks good. And one thing I like is that I can customize all of this. I've got a visual editor, and that lets me rewrite, copy, generate icons, update images. I can, change the text if I want. I can make it shorter. I can make it better. I don't even have to write it myself. I can make it more professional. I'm a CEA. You've got to make it more professional. So now I can select the text container generated by AI and just use the refinement, rewrite the features, and then I've also got my asset sidebar, so I can generate specific things that I want right here. As we can see, I want to make this look better. This is looking good. So we've got a nice professional message. How amazing does that sound? You want to sound good to other people, right? So now I can adjust the row, the padding. If you want to center it, you want to format the text, get the properties looking good, that's where I'm going. I'm just zooming in right here and we can see the instant text rewrite and all the great things it does. And that's why Vengage is a leader in accessible design. We also get the native color contrast, the checker, the screen reader, the compatibility parameters, the alt text. Here, I can see all the awesome icons. So I can pull out some icons and I can use that as well. So you can see the cybersecurity right here, and I can go ahead, pull that out, and then have a look at the cybersecurity. Got all the information here, so I can look through and find the icons that I like. Again, that's fine. Can do that, and then we can see the different styles, and then I can go ahead, pick a style that works, and really, it's just that simple. So you just go ahead, type in whatever you like into the icons, create a modern line icon. Where's that, AI automation? Boom. You can see that right here. That's why this is one of the leaders in accessible design, because it gives you amazing icons. It gives you text rewrite. You get native color, contrast checker, screen reader. You come up with the compatibility parameters, text. It's all here. So I'm going to use my little robot here. The robots aren't taken over. The AI isn't taken over, just making the CEO, myself, look a bit better, right? And that's all we're doing right here, where we can see that. And then we're going to go ahead. We're going to put it right here at the top of the letter. Now this is looking good. Now I've got a good looking newsletter. This is a newsletter that I actually want to send out. Then I'm going to go ahead and tweak this, make sure it looks good. And after we do that, we can move on. We're all good. Make sure the font looks good. So I'm going to go and set it to Roboto. I'm also going to change the size. So we'll do that too. Paragraph. So we've got that looking good, and now we can just go ahead, adjust the size, and now everything looks spot on. So one thing you can do is use the AI accessibility checker from the top utility navigation. You can go ahead and have a play with that. You can fix anything you want here, any contrast warnings, anything like that. You can add things, and then you can export it when you're finished. That's how easy it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure everything looks good. Maybe I'll change the font for the body here. So I'm having a look through. I'm going to go ahead and change that. Fine. More awesome. That's looking pretty good. Then I can sort out the project colors. That looks awesome. So let's check out the background color here. We're going to adjust that. You've got to have a good background color there, guys. Okay, so check this out. Look at how we've transformed a basic newsletter. Now, I know you're going to say, well, how would I be able to do that? And it's all thanks to the power of AI that we can make the newsletter look that amazing. So now we can go ahead and zoom in. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here. I want to make this look absolutely amazing when I send it out. So here we can take a look at the accessibility checker I was talking about. We're going to launch the AI-powered accessibility checker from the top utility navigation bar, and we'll see how this looks. Out here we can fix any highlighted issues, any contrast alerts. We also have the ability to add descriptive alt text if we want and play around with icons. You can say here, so I can check out, the alt text for visual elements. Boom. So we've got that saved. How good's that? We can get everything sorted. So we've got the alt text saved and I can go ahead and download it. So it's pretty easy to do. I'm going to make a few tweaks here. I'm going to make sure that looks good. I reckon it does. I'm just going to double check this. All right, I'm liking how that's looking. AI issues, got to sort out those AI issues. All right, so I'm ready to export. So when I'm ready to export, I can just go ahead and download the document as a PDF layout. So first, we want to do a quick preview. We're going to have a look at it. I'm the CEO, making sure it looks spot on. And if it does, too easy. We just go ahead and download it. I can do this, and as you can see, you can do it in multiple formats. I'm going to do it as a PDF here. So that's how brilliant it is. You can sign up for a free account, and that gives you unlimited access to over 100 AI design generators. You can do it just like I did with multiple templates, and new specialized tools have been added to the platform every week. And the great thing is, a single account takes care of all your business graphics and needs for Visualize. So all you need is one account. Let's check out a few of them here. Look how brilliant that looks. Absolutely amazing. So guys, you can see the template. You can see that I've got Design AI right here. And also, don't forget that you can add your teammates. So if you want to go ahead and add your teammates, feel free to do that as well. We can see the product. If you want to make brochures, posters, ebooks, newsletters, you can do it all in one place. Don't just limit yourself to one thing. And if you've got a specific need, like a book cover, maybe a proposal, maybe a flowchart, it doesn't just have to be a newsletter. Yes, we're customizing a newsletter, but you can also do contracts, pitch decks. You can use it for your new project. Maybe you've got a SaaS, maybe you started a new company, or maybe you've got something else. Maybe you want to put out a white paper. Do it for blogs, webinars, the lot. It's honestly all right here in one place. Transform your designs and manage them with Vengage's AI tools. Click the link in the description. Give the tool a go and sign up today. You can create your first newsletter for free. Make sure you use the code BizCheck50. Check it out. Enjoy 50% off your annual plan for Vengage Premium or the business plan. And that's it for this video, guys. Can't wait to see what you come up with. That's all for today's VA. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Catch you soon.